Hello guys, today I have two new fidget spinners. I've had them for a while, but they're casting these ones around, as you can see, and they're pretty cool. I love the look of this one. So I got this one because I got this one, and it's pretty cool. It kind of spins, and dun, 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 dun. It's pretty cool. I just never had time to make the video. Now I did. I still miss making the gaming videos. Just I haven't found an app that works. And if you find one, please, for iOS that works, please leave it in the description below. Not the description, the comment section. Yeah, that'd be awesome. This one, I love. Stop. Okay. I just love this one. I know you probably are all tired of fidget spinners, but look at this one. This one, you can take these off. Look. You can actually unscrew it. Okay, there we go. And then let me take out this one. And then this one. Sorry, I almost dropped that. And then now you have like original fidget spinner. Yeah. Pretty cool. I don't know what else to do, so bye guys. Subscribe, leave a like, and I just lost that, so bye.